Hello all, welcome to CarTuber. Today I'll be showing you a McLaren car. It's a limited edition car. This is the before video where the car's bumper as well as the side panels were burned due to some modification in the car. So to start off with, we sanded and grinded the complete bumper where the panels were burned, and then we applied the fiber putty on top of that. Now we apply red oxide putty, which will cover up all the small tiny dents. Once this is done, the main and the most important thing in this car is primer application, as this car had a certain burned areas, so applying primer was a very necessary thing. So we apply primer on it so that the life of the panel will also be improved and it will have a longer stay, as well as the burning effect that had happened earlier will not show up again, as it will bond the paint well to the panel. Once this is done, we apply a 2K semi-gloss matte paint on the exhaust, which was also affected by this. Now we start off by spraying all the base paints that are there on the panels. First we start off with the black paint, and after this we'll be applying the bumper with the silver, and both together we'll be applying the clear coat. Once the base paint is applied, we apply the clear coat. We are using here a high standard Nexa auto-color clear coat to give it a good gloss and a fine finish. As you can see, the most difficult part in the car was to tape the car well, as the black color part had inside part as a matte finish and the outside had gloss on it. After this is done, we sand the car with a 1200 grit sanding paper and then we apply polish on it. Now let me show you the final look of the car and hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.